Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys, girls, likers, dislikers, commenters, new subscribers, full subscribers, just generally anybody who watches these videos. Welcome back. I am going to be heading to Downshire School in the Carrickfergus. There is a little bike show thing on today in support of local youth motorsport. Plus, my big friend Ashley from Mental Health Bikers is there. We've got Brap Moto is there. We've got a few people that we know there too. So I know of a couple of local boys who also tube every now and again. They're going to be there or have already been there because I am going slightly later than normal. It's on to 4 o'clock, so it's not as if I'm super late. Just late enough. But yeah, it's literally 10 minutes away, so I'm not even going to bust a gut to get there. Ah, behind the two-stroker. So yeah, that's one thing about 2024 is I want to start to try to do a lot more of the local shows, except for the Northern Ireland show, unless they strategically pull whatever rod they have up their asses out of it. So yeah, these are wee community ones, generally supporting, like, you know, motorsport or local riders or something, you know, along that line. So it's always nice to go to. I'm having a bit of a shite mood in work this week, so it's coming up to Christmas week and it feels like I'm already 2 days before Christmas. But I'm doing this to sort of take a breath and take my mental health and do something that I want to do, which is a change, because it's generally work, a wee bit more work, work. I even had to Google where this place is because I'm not the brightest. Well, you all know that, like, but I had to sort of Google it to see whereabouts I was going because I've never been down this way before, so. Also see what time I have left when I come back. Might call into my favourite coffee shop. I say coffee shop, I mean coffee wagon in Carrick Car Park. Got a couple of videos to come just before Christmas. This one included, probably. No, maybe not. This one will be after Christmas, so if you're watching this, I hope you had a good Christmas. I'm going to do a donkey speech. I feel like that would be fun. I was about to say, excuse me sir, your car is facing the wrong way. So these wee bike shows, they're like really old school vibes. You got a lot of old retro and vintage bikes and a load of old boys talking about the old times, which is great. And a lot of they do a lot of talks about stuff like that too, and the old racers, and just a different type of show. It's not trying to pull money out of you. Yeah, I'm not getting petrol by messed up fucking Santa. Not a chance. Gotta go to a party tonight. It's Lisa's friend's 30th. So I get to do my thing, and then I go to do her thing, and then lie in bed all day tomorrow because I want to. And I can. wonder why it was so breezy on my face this morning. I put my screen down. Yeah, it's there. Had to check. Remember working on that. I would go down and drive on that, but it's a bit rough. Try and work out where I'm going now, or if I got to the right place. Did Donkey get lost in this video? Probably. Not lost, but lost enough. Just right the way back, yeah? No worries, mate, cheers. So I lied, it was near 30 minutes. But there was a mini detour where I wasn't meant to take the right hand turn, and I did. Oh! I was like, fuck it. I lock that. Yes, I did. I'm going to get a coffee. Young boy's just whipping around the place. So that was the Carrick show. I want to say thank you to Ron, I think you said your name was, for coming over. And thank you very much for watching, as you did say that you did. But it's time to go get a coffee. But yeah, it was absolutely, it was a great wee show. £5 in. Money goes towards the youth. IMS was there, Christain Bikers were there, FIreblade Ministries was there, Mental Health Bikers were there. I go straight on, we'll see. So there was a good load there, and then you got all your classical bikes, all your race bikes, and yeah, this was a good show. Oh, I see where I could have turned right, left. But yeah, it's great to see everyone. Brap Moto again, great to see him, got chatting to him, getting the scandals of the community. Or the gossip, really. Got to chat with him. Got to chat with my mate Ash from Mental Health Bikers again. The guy is brilliant. He is such a great ambassador for them. And yeah. Is that an absolute mad lad out there? Is it? No, it's not. Well, it actually is. People out there doing the madness. Oh my goodness, it's so windy. So yeah, that's coffee inhaled, cake inhaled. We gotta love that little coffee wagon in Carrickfergus car park. Now time to go home. So as I was saying, 2024 is going to be about grassroots. All the small shows that I can get to. I have a leaflet here for one that's going to be happening next year. I'm going to go to that. I'm going to get a few other ones, and then hopefully, just grow a set of nuts and do a stand at one, shouldn't I? But A, I've nothing to give away, and B, nobody in this country, bar a very, very select few people, know who the hell I am and what I do. But as always, folks, don't forget to like, comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe. 2023 is done. 2024 is here. And let's see what this mother trucker brings to the table. Don't forget, keep it lit. And if you can't keep it lit, I mean, are you really trying at this point?